Using a lead magnet is key for growing your email list as fast as possible, so it's definitely worth it to spend some time creating something valuable for your audience. In this second episode of my email marketing series, we'll talk about how to create a lead magnet that will get your audience to sign up for your email list. But before we get started, I want to welcome you to my channel if you're watching one of my videos for the first time. My name is Simon, and on this channel you'll get the best tutorials, tips and tools you need to grow a successful online business. So consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. I'll also list all tools and services I'm talking about down below in the description, so feel free to check them out at any point of this video. As you might already know, a lead magnet is a gift like an ebook or a checklist that you give away for free to your audience in exchange for signing up to your email list. This gift has to be digital, so you can automatically deliver it once somebody signs up. A high converting lead magnet has two features. First, it needs to be specific to your audience, meaning that you shouldn't give away an ebook on 10 cooking recipes to an audience who's looking for photography tips. It must be something that your audience can actually use for whatever they're interested in. And it's not only about it being specific to your audience, it's also about solving a problem that your audience has. A perfect example is the YouTube channel Video Influencers that is run by Benji Travis and Sean Cannell. They're giving away a free checklist to upload YouTube videos. Now this is perfect because pretty much their entire audience is also uploading videos on YouTube, so everybody will want their checklist and everybody will end up on their email list. And the second feature your lead magnet should have is that it's actually valuable. Ask yourself what the people in your sector need and what you yourself would gladly give away your email for. If they perceive what you're giving away as valuable, they're much more likely to type in their email address. If your lead magnet actually delivers what you're promising, then you start off a perfect relationship with your subscriber and you've already built a lot of trust. They might even share it with others, so that helps you to reach even more people. Now let's go over 5 examples of good lead magnets to give you an idea about what you can create for your audience. Number 1, a checklist. Like I've already mentioned, a checklist can be really valuable and time-saving for your audience. And it also doesn't take too long for you to create. Just think about a process that everybody who's consuming your content is doing and create a checklist for it. This could be a checklist for organizing a special event, or a checklist for running a successful Facebook campaign, or like we've already seen, a checklist for uploading YouTube videos. Number 2, a free course. A free course can be a very high value lead magnet if it solves a particular problem. You can either create a short video course or set up an email sequence to send them one lesson each day in written form. Number 3, a template or a preset. This is great if you're creating content about photography, for example. You can simply create a template in the photo editing software Lightroom and give that away. If people like the style of your photos, they're gonna want to download your preset or template, and they would gladly give away their email for it. Number 4, a resource list. If, for example, you run a blog about search engine optimization, you could create a list about the 5 most valuable tools to do keyword research on the internet. Number 5, an ebook. This can also be a great lead magnet if the information that is inside of this ebook actually answers a specific question or solves a specific problem that your audience has. I, for example, give away a free ebook about how to generate passive income with affiliate marketing. As my target audience are people who are interested in doing online business and in generating passive income online, a lot of people are gonna want to download this ebook. Some lead magnets are more suitable for certain audiences than others. It's up to you to decide what type is best for your specific audience. Another tip that I should mention is that it makes sense to include your contact details and social media links inside of your lead magnet. This way, when people share it with others, they will find you and your content. I personally use Canva.com to create and design all of my lead magnets and make them look very nice and professional. It's a free website where you can create anything without any design skills. I also use them to create my YouTube thumbnails, by the way. Then I take the cover of the ebook that I've created in Canva, upload it to a website called adazing.com to create a 3D mock-up of it. This looks very professional, and then I have the perfect image to put on the landing page that we'll be creating in a later episode of this email marketing series. If for some reason you still don't know what lead magnet to create, or you simply don't have the time to create something, you have the possibility to go to a website like idplr.com and purchase something to give away. These guys have stuff in pretty much every niche, and if you decide to buy something, you also get the rights to give it away to your audience. They also have like videos and templates, graphic packs, and a lot more stuff. So it can't hurt to take a look around. I will leave links to all of these websites that I've just mentioned down in the description, so you can check them out if you want. Alright, so you should have now a pretty good idea about what's a good lead magnet that will make your audience want to sign up for your email list. I want you to tell me in the comments below what you think is the best lead magnet for your specific audience, or if you still don't know yet, let me know what audience you're trying to find the perfect lead magnet for, and I might be able to give you some more tips and ideas for your specific case. That's it for this episode of my email marketing series. In the next episode, we'll get you a 30-day free trial for the email marketing software GetResponse and set up your first email list. Leave me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. It really helps out my channel so I can create more free training for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.